In oil and gas production, long-time corrosion, aging of sealing components, and external damage often cause valves of Christmas tree to leak. Sometimes the valves cannot get opened. Conventionally, the well must be killed in order to replace the valve, but this means high cost of work, long downtime, environment pollution, damage to formation, and substantial decrease in well production. In most cases, the short-term well production decreases by 30%. In some cases, well production after well killing is never recovered to the previous level. To tackle the problem in a smarter way, Xi'an Petroleum has developed the technology of replacing high-pressurized valves without performing well killing. A specialized plugging tool has been developed for the purpose of stopping hydrocarbon circulation from within the Christmas tree. A hydraulic system is used to provide power. High-intensity bolts are used to fix a specialized tool system on the Christmas tree. By using the technology, various types and sizes of control valves on the Christmas tree can be replaced, bringing about very little sacrifice to the well production. The advantages of technology are safety, high efficiency, environment friendliness, and cost effectiveness. The following is an illustration of the basic principles and the operational procedure of the technology. Taking casing valve replacement as an example. Replacing tubing valves is similar, only the way of fixation, tool installation, and direction are different. Shut off the master valve. Remove the top components of the tree. Install the tool system and the hydraulic system. Install the plug. Open the control valve and the problem valve. Transmit the plug to the required positioning using hydraulic force. Activate the plug to stop oil and gas circulation. Bleed off the high-pressure hydrocarbon tapped in the tool system using the needle check valve. Wait for 30 minutes to check the plugging effect. After verifying the success of plugging, remove the bolts that connect the problem valves with a big cross. Separate the valve from the tree for some space using hydraulic force. Hold the plug with the holder. Disconnect the plug with the hydraulic cylinder piston rod. Back off the rod. Remove the problem valve and put a new one. Reconnect the plug with the hydraulic cylinder piston rod. Remove the plug holder. Put the new valve towards the big cross. Install and tighten the connecting bolts. Back off the plug. Shut off the new valve and the master valve. Remove the tool system to restore the initial structure of the Christmas tree. The valve